Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can fix Roblox not authorized to join the experience due to privacy settings. So the first step here is by checking your privacy settings on Roblox. So first up, open up your Roblox on your web browser and then go to the settings icon right there at the top right hand corner and then click on settings. Now under the settings, you want to go and click on privacy. Now here on privacy, scroll down until you find the other settings. So from here, make sure that all of the options is set to everyone who can join my experience, who can see my inventory. So make sure to set this all to everyone option. Now, the second method if the problem persists is by checking the experiences privacy settings. So sometimes the experience itself is set to private. So go to the experience page and look for privacy settings. If it's set to private, contact the creator and ask to change to public. Now, the last option, if the problem persists, is to uninstall and reinstall the Roblox. To do that, go to the search box and type right here settings. Okay, you want to go to your computer settings or system settings and then click on apps and go to installed apps. So basically, you just need to wait for a few seconds here and then we're going to search for Roblox. And once you type on Roblox, you want to click on three dots and click on uninstall. Once you uninstall this application, go to your browser and open your Roblox on browser and just have to select a random game from here. And once you select a random game, a play button shows up here. So when you click on play button, and you can now reinstall your Roblox. So that's it. That's how you basically fix this Roblox error. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.